Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly and I post about 2 videos every week, and they're all lifestyle related. I do a lot of law of attraction videos, some cleaning videos, some cooking videos, all kinds of fun stuff. So if you don't want to miss any more content from me, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn your bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I'm posting more content like this. I really like to focus on inspiration and just, positive living and trying to improve your life. So I have a lot of areas in my life that I'm trying to improve right now. So I'm just kind of bringing you guys along for the journey. And in today's video, we are going to be talking once again about the law of attraction. So for those of you that may not know, the law of attraction, kind of put very simply, is basically changing your mindset into a more positive way of thinking, and that if you're more positive, you will attract great things to you. So for instance, instead, if you're wanting to attract more money into your life, instead of always saying, oh, I'm broke, I need money, this and that, saying, I am abundant, I have tons of money in my bank account, I have $10,000 in my bank account, and just shifting your mindset to that of I have instead of I need or I want, will bring those things into your life. It's the law of attraction. And one of the main things with the law of attraction is manifestation and scripting. So basically, when you're trying to manifest something into your life, one of the main ways that you can do that is by scripting. And I like to do scripting, and I like to do gratitude as well, because the two kind of go hand in hand. You have to be thankful for what you do have. And this is a major part of shifting your mindset into the more positive. Because if you're sitting here and you're just thinking like, I need a new car, my car is a piece of crap, and you're not thankful for the car that you do have, you're dwelling in a negative mind space, and therefore what you want will not come to you. So by shifting your mind space and being grateful for the car that you already do have, yeah, maybe it's ugly, or maybe it's old, or maybe it's whatever, but if it gets you from point A to point B, that's the thing you need to focus on. So, instead of saying, I hate my car, say, I'm thankful that my car got me where I needed to go today. That sort of thing. So I definitely like to focus on gratitude a lot, and I keep a gratitude journal as well. And so this is my gratitude journal. I'm going to show you guys in a moment here, it close up, but basically I'm just going to open it up here to one of the pages and just making a list. I like to try and just do the full page if possible, every single day, of what you are grateful for. So whatever happened that day, like for instance, on this particular day, I said, I'm grateful to be able to buy whatever I need from the store. And I'm grateful that I got to have a break today and go to the city for nails. I'm a nail tech, part-time, and I have a few clients that are in the city that's near me, and every once in a while I go out there and I get to do all my nail clients at that same day. And I really focus on it as having a break away from my everyday normal life. I get to have a break away from all of my normal duties, and go and kind of visit with my girlfriends and do their nails, and had a lot of fun. So it's finding menial things in your life every day to be grateful. I'm grateful that it's a sunshiny day outside. I'm grateful that it didn't rain today. Grateful that my flowers that I planted are growing and thriving. All sorts of just the tiniest little thing can be something that you're grateful for. And over time doing this, it really starts to shift your perspective. So like I said, in today's video, I want to focus mainly on gratitude, and we are going to talk more about scripting in another video coming up. But I think gratitude is so, so, so important. And if you are not grateful for what you already have, you cannot attract more things to you. It's impossible. It's not going to happen. So definitely start a gratitude journal. And like I said, just try and fill up the page every single day. Even if you've had the worst day in the whole world, there's got to be something, something in there that you can possibly twist. You had a coffee today. You woke up and, maybe you saw some good news on social media, or just the littlest thing can actually turn your day around. And once we get into a habit of thinking about that, and instead of we let oftentimes these little moments kind of just pass us by and we don't really think about them. But when we're actually sitting down at the end of the day and we're looking for things to be happy about in our lives and we're looking for things to be grateful about, you start to notice them over time. And then the next day, as you do this, like for more and more days, your whole perception starts to shift and you just start to be a more positive person and you start to just be thankful for everything. Like there's been times where I've like become overwhelmed because I'm just like so thankful for every single thing. Like I'm outside walking with my son. I'm like, oh my God, it's a beautiful day. Like there's not a cloud in sight. Me and my son are having such an awesome day. I'm so lucky that I get to stay at home with him. And it overwhelms me sometimes. And I just get so grateful. And I'm just like, what did I ever do to deserve this? I don't know, but I have a great life. And it's so far from where I've come. Like I used to be a very negative person. And over time, like I'm just trying to change my headspace and the way I naturally think. And it's definitely an adjustment because thinking that way does not come natural to me. But by making a conscious effort to think about all the good things in my life, it just shifts your whole perception of everything. And it just starts to make you a more positive person. And you just automatically start to attract better things into your life. So that's all that I'm going to say in this video. This is kind of a short and sweet video, but this one, like I said, I wanted to focus more on gratitude. And I'm also going to be recording another video here that will come up probably next week sometime about scripting and how, using scripting techniques can bring you what you want in conjunction with this gratitude. I think like having gratitude that's like the foundation, right? Like you lay everything down on that and you build up from there. But it's so important. You have to have gratitude for things that you do already have in your life, and you have to shift your perception. Why can't I say that word? To look at things in a more positive light before you can start actually scripting and attracting the life you want to you. So let me know in the comments down below if you keep a gratitude journal, and how often do you write in it? I try to write in it every day, but there's lots of times where I forget. So let me know in the comments down below if you keep a gratitude journal and how long you've been doing that for. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.